Dear friends, what's happening to our bishops? Why are they dancing according to the whims and fancies of certain people who always praise them? They are not bothered about the future of Catholic faith in India. The major Archbishop of Syro Malabar Church, Mar Thattil, has submitted a most stupid affidavit in a court saying that the court can interfere in the matters relating to Holy Mass. This is going to affect the entire Catholic churches in India, across India, very badly. MTNS is a dissident organization in the Archdiocese of Ernakulam and Kamali. With the intention of immobilizing the parishes, they filed a case in the Municipal Court Ernakulam. The position taken by the major Archbishop of Syro Malabar Church in the given case is a matter of concern. In a way, the major Archbishop has surrendered his acquired rights of all the Christian communities in India. Article 25 of the Constitution says, all the persons are equally entitled to freedom of conscience and the right to freely profess, practice and propagate religion, subject to public order, morality and health. Further, Article 26 says that all denominations can manage their own affairs in matters of religion. But the Archbishop submitted before the court that the court can intervene in the matter of Holy Mass and grant a permanent injunction as requested by the plaintiffs. That means he is surrendering the right to manage his own affairs in the matters of his religion. Further, the major Archbishop took a contention that the intervention of the court in the matter of Holy Mass is not against Article 25 and it should be considered as the protection of civil rights. I was there in the court witnessing all these arguments. It was a matter of surprise to me. We should file a complaint to Vatican against the major Archbishop who is depending on the civil code in the matters of Eucharist. Actually speaking, the major Archbishop has no role in the Archdiocese as it is under the authority of a papal delegate. It is illegal to encroach on the authority of the papal delegate and demand the intervention of a civil code in the matter of Eucharist. There is no doubt that this reckless and short-sighted act will affect the entire Indian Catholic churches in India, across India. It is not as simple as the mistakes he made earlier through his public speeches. Mar Thattil's journey is in the same way that Cardinal Alanjeri took for his cases. Cardinal fought his cases and finally obtained a ruling against all the bishops of all churches in India. As a result, the authority of the bishops over temporal goods of their church is limited now. Normally, the courts do not interfere in religious matters. So far, all the Christian denominations in the country have taken a position that the court should not interfere in religious matters. But Mar Thattil took a different position, that there is no wrong in the court interfering in the matter of Holy Mass. Even Archbishop Andrew Stardust or Cardinal Alanjeri have not yet taken such a stand, such a stupid stand till now. I am sorry to say that Major Archbishop is trying to torpedo the foundation of Christian churches in the country. His affidavit will have far-reaching consequences. If the courts in India can decide to stop any form of mass in any church, then the courts can decide anything and everything in the matter of religion and religious ceremonies. The ramifications of that would be far-reaching. There will be more such rulings in future and it will be submissive. If the policy is let the court to decide on all matters in the church, then things are easy. It's much bigger than the impact of Church Act. The Church Act never envisages the interference of anybody in the matters pertaining to the religious ceremonies. The position that the courts can interfere in the matters of the Mass is tantamount to a complete violation of freedom of worship. It will affect all Christian churches in India. If the court accepts this affidavit and passes a verdict, the courts will be flooded with such cases. And the bishops will be wandering in the court balconies and verandas to face trials. I don't know what is happening to these bishops. Let's wait and see. Thank you.